These 4 corner posts are already squared and mounted. Before we install another bracket, we're going to check every corner. Because if one of these corners are wrong, dudes, we can build the rest of this whole section on top of a mistake. And today we're hoping to install 14 more because that will put us at 18 total. But the brackets are honestly what's holding us back. They're $27 a piece, and just a couple of these will cost us hundreds of dollars. Your boy's got to spread this out a little bit. All right, guys, if you've been following this off-grid house build, you know we've been working our way around these posts one at a time. A little while ago, this was nothing but raw land, a pile of lumber, and a whole lot of guessing. Now that we got all 4 corner posts squared and mounted, and I know it sounds like a small thing, but these are the reference points for everything else. So the plan is simple. First, we make sure that our corners are square, and then we're going to install 14 more Simpson brackets and posts. Right there. So today, we should have 18 out of 30 installed. That still leaves us 12 more, but those are going to have to wait until next weekend. Before we start adding any more brackets, we're going to slow down and check the part that matters most. This is corner 1. I'm checking it again because once more posts start going in, fixing a bad corner gets way more expensive. Your boy messes up a lot, and I mostly mean me, by making mistakes and then pretending I planned it that way. That's obviously not the case. Obviously not. Corner number 2 is looking good so far. But I'm not just looking at one measurement and calling it done. I'm checking all 4 because one corner can look right by itself and still be out of line with the rest of the layout. And this is the 4th corner. And this is the one we really don't want to find a problem with after we got the rest of the corners in. So far, everything checks out. But that doesn't mean we rush. It means we finally can move forward with a little more confidence. So here's the part nobody really sees when watching a build like this. So we need 30 of these brackets at $27 a piece. So that's $810 before taxing or shipping. After today, we'll have 18 installed. That means we roughly got $486 worth of brackets in the structure already. The next 12 brackets are at least $324. We have the post, we have the lumber. The brackets are the only thing slowing us down. I know some channels can buy everything in one trip and keep moving, but unfortunately that's not our reality, guys. We're building this paycheck by paycheck, but every step we do make gets us one step closer. Now that the corners are checked, we're going to start with the first post between the corners. Once I get this bracket positioned, I'm going to secure it with the 5/8 anchor bolt, hammer it down, and tighten it with the impact. Now that the bracket's secured, we're going to put our post in, level it, and secure it. This is the part I got to fight the urge to say that's good enough. Because good enough is how little mistakes cause big problems. Now that we got the first post in position next to the first corner, we're going to go ahead and move down the line and get the next 1, 2, 3 installed. Let's go. Top of the morning to you. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's definitely another day. So the other day when I was out here doing my post, it just got way too hot and I had to call it a day. So it's been a week and I'm back out here, and we got the back row and we got the front row done. So I'm gonna work on the middle row, so that way we have I'm going to work on the middle row and the sides today. And it feels good outside today, so hopefully I can get more work done. So, follow my nose. Everybody, let's go. No, but seriously, though, hopefully we get more work done today. It feels good outside, and I'm by myself. I don't got no interruptions. I can just lock in, and just focus on getting it done. I'm tired of dealing with these posts. I'm ready to put some beams up. I'm ready to start the floor. Can't get nowhere without these done. So let's go. If you're building a homestead or working on a house or just trying to make progress with a regular paycheck, comment down below. Let me know what you're working on, because this is what I got working on. And if you installed these before, let me know. Help a kid out, because I got 8 more left to do before I start framing up the floor joists. So I want to make sure that I'm doing it exactly right. So if you got any pointers, just help a kid out. But every step we do make does get us one step closer. Mark us out.